All right, this is my review of the nail gun. I have it all hooked up, nails purchased, and let's go ahead and do it. Maybe I'll start in a minute. Still very level. And then we have the bottom piece to put on. Oh, I cut all these pieces a long time ago. All I've needed is the nail gun to complete the work. So very excited to be able to finally put to rest some of these projects. There we are. My first time using a nail gun, and as you can see, I finally have the window seal in place, and there are the holes it left. So just like it should, I'll fill those in and then paint this. And yes, it worked beautifully, easy to use, wasn't too difficult. I really like it.
All right, it's really straightforward in operation. Nails just drop into here and slides up. Everything feels nice and sturdy, no rattles. It's got a little safety trigger, which is robust. It's even got a little rubber guard on the safety trigger that you can actually remove. Not sure why, but I guess it keeps from marring up the wood. Like I said, the operation is very stone simple, which is good because the instructions are pretty lacking. Looks like the even the exhaust is adjustable, so you can have the exhaust come out in whichever direction. It's not too loud. It's not as loud as my framing nailer, and it's not actually even as loud as this smaller 18 gauge nailer.